First, make sure the cup holders are installed on your seat. They must be installed for use. To install with a vehicle seatbelt, start by storing the latch connectors on the sides of the seat. Unhook the top tether from storage and lay it over the seat so it's ready to attach later. Adjust the seat into one of the forward-facing recline positions based on your child's weight and make sure it clicks into place. Make sure the infant supports are removed before installing the seat forward-facing. Place the car seat forward-facing in your vehicle's back seat. Use the sticker on the side as a guide and ensure the base does not extend past the indicated line. Move the seat padding to access the belt path. Thread the vehicle seat belt through the forward-facing belt path marked in orange and make sure the belt lies flat with no twist, then buckle it. Pull the shoulder belt all the way out, then let it feed back in until you hear clicking. Gently pull on the belt to confirm it's locked. Once tight, replace the seat padding. Extend the top tether and attach it to your vehicle's tether anchor. Push the car seat back while tightening the top tether to remove all slack. Grab the seat at the forward-facing belt path and gently push side to side and front to back. It shouldn't move more than 1 inch. Always check your car seat and vehicle manuals for proper installation. If you have questions, consult a certified child passenger safety technician.